Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrison's block, paying £40 for the block. It's a Sunday morning. It's a bit chilly, a bit blowy. Looks like it might rain a bit. At the moment it's still dry. I've already loaded up. I've got 33 parcels. They're sending me to Tewkesbury. I've got an 11, a 4, a 7, a 5 and a 6. 2 of them are age verified. Let's go. So the price of petrol here at this Morrison's is 152.9. So it's gone up about 27p in the last month. Diesel's 187.9. It makes a diesel almost not worth having. At least with a hybrid, I can use my electric when I'm delivering, so it doesn't cost too much. Although on this block I'm going up to Tewkesbury, so I will be using my petrol on the motorway and then switching to electric while I'm doing the actual deliveries. And I'm hoping to get these deliveries done before this big storm cloud unloads itself. Hello there, how you doing? Is there I need to check the year of birth for you.
72.
Super, thank you. It's got some funny notes on here. It says, I won't be here until 3:30. But then in the delivery slots 10 till 1, so. And it might be left over from parcels or something. They tend to hang around for ages. Right, I'll get the rest for you. Here we go, all done for you. Thanks, have a nice afternoon. Because you've already committed. Stop here. Hello. That's all right. It's just started to rain. I didn't want your shopping to get wet.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. It's not your fault. There we go. All done for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. There we go. It's just starting bucketing with rain. So on with the raincoat, and we've got 3 more deliveries to do.
In 1/4 mile, turn right onto Kingston Road.
Hello. Oh, you got 2 doors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops, I got stuck on a stick. This one's just awkward to hold. Here we go. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Of course, now I've got my raincoat on, it's not raining. It's always the way. What's this? Oh, loads of water bottles from the marathon. They just leave them. Hello. The weather can't decide if it's going to rain or not. Got one more for you. Here we go, all done for you. Cheers, have a nice afternoon. So one more delivery left and it's only been an hour and 5 minutes since the block start. I'm going back to Morrison's anyway, so this time I'm not going to faff around waiting for 29 minutes left. I'll just swipe to finish and see if it sends me back.
Hi.
Hello.
See my doorstep, please?
Yeah, I have to check the year you were born. Same as me. Super. Yeah, I'll just get the rest and leave them there for you. Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks. Nice view. There we go. All done. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block done in 1 hour 20 minutes. It's a 30-minute drive back to the store. Now, as an experiment, because I was finishing early, but I'm going back to the store anyway, I did swipe to finish straight away, and as expected, it told me to go back to the store, which is what it always does if you've got more than 29 minutes left on the block. So I'm heading back to Morrison's. I've got another block there anyway. So we've arrived back at Morrison's, but the weather is pretty horrible, stormy, rainy. So I'm actually going to forfeit my second block for today. Does everybody know how to do a forfeit? Oh, let's run through it. So you go to your calendar, go to today, find the block that you want to forfeit, and then you forfeit the block. Are you sure you want to forfeit this block? Yes. And as long as you're forfeiting with more than 45 minutes before the start of the block, you don't get penalised at all. If you pick up a block and it's starting within the next 45 minutes, you always have 5 minutes to forfeit it. So you can grab a block and then decide and then get rid of it, and you still won't get penalised. So just the one block today after I forfeited the second one. £40 for 2 hours. It was done in an hour and 20 minutes, but it was 30 minutes drive back here. It's on the way back home anyway. So let's call it £40 for the 2 hours. So £20 an hour is still pretty good. I used a little bit of petrol going to the first stop, but then everything else was electric. Last week I did a video on doing your self-assessment, so you might want to have a look at that. Remember to record all your mileage. If you enjoyed this ride along video, give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks and ride along videos to do with Amazon Flex. That's it for today. Catch you next time.